So the comfort and ride on this bike has been very impressive. I've been pedaling for quite some time, just in pedal assist 1, gear number 7, which is still a little too fast for this bike path. But I can't tell you how comfortable this ride is. I don't think there's words that can explain it. It's just one of those things you have to experience. For all the e-bikes that I've tested, this is actually the easiest e-bike to ride. Let me introduce you to the Vanpowers UrbanGlide-Standard e-bike. This is an outstanding urban commuter bike. I love the skinnier tires. Everything about this is a nice, sleek, smooth design, but it is incredibly well built. This has got to be in the top 2 e-bikes that I have reviewed, just on sheer comfort of riding alone. It's got a 500 watt brushless hub motor, a 48 volt 14.4 amp hour battery, 5 levels of pedal assist, and a 7-speed Shimano gear system, and combined will get you 65 miles on a single charge. It has adjustable front forks and the very best seat that I've ever reviewed on an e-bike. Super soft, super comfortable, spring-loaded, very nice on the tushy. The seat easily adjusts up and down to your height level, and the handlebars can easily be adjusted to your comfort level as well. This bike has a great luggage rack and fenders, and the skinny 26-inch tires make it an ease to glide in and out of traffic. And I love the fact that it's a step through, making it easy to get on. So let me show you the cockpit area of this bike. So right on your right hand side, this right brake, it is a disc brake. You know I like hydraulic brakes, but this is a disc brake and it works really well. This is your typical 7-speed Shimano gear system. So to step it down, you just click up here, and if you need a step up gear, you just press that button right there. On the left side, the left brake is your front disc brake. It also has a thumb throttle on the left side and your control module right here. So the very top button is your power button. You press and hold it down, and it has a beautiful colored LCD screen. If you hit that on button one more time, it'll change to miles per hour right here. Your time that you've been out riding, including your calories burned. Got the kcal calorie burner right there, and you have your miles, your trip, and odometer reading right there. Right now it's in neutral, but this plus button right here will step it up to pedal assist 1 all the way up to pedal assist 5, and right below that is the minus button, and that will take you all the way back down to neutral again. Real easy, real simple to use. Now if you hit the throttle in neutral, it goes absolutely nowhere, so you have to be in pedal assist 1. Now with this particular bike, if you hit the throttle right now, it'll take you straight to 20 miles an hour pretty quickly. So let's just hit that throttle right now and take this thing on out for a spin. So one of the things about this bike that I found out early on, even before I took it out of the box, it's waterproof. FedEx delivered it to my front door in the middle of one of the hardest rains we ever had. This bike was super easy to assemble. The only things I had to put on this bike was the front wheel and the front fender, which was very easy to install. That took probably about 5 minutes alone. I had to put the handlebar on and this LCD screen. That also took probably another 5 minutes by itself. And screw the pedals in. And that was it. And I don't think that even took 2 minutes. So I would say combined, the hardest part was cutting the zip ties off, because there's so many zip ties. They really packaged this thing well. And after removing all the zip ties and assembling this thing, it really only took probably 20 to 25 minutes, and I was completely done. And if you noticed on this ride, I haven't stepped it up out at all to pedal assist 2 on this ride on this bike path. It's been a comfortable and smooth ride. And this is what it's designed for. Easy to get to and from work if you needed a bike. Remember, it goes 65 miles on a single charge. Overall, I'm incredibly impressed with this Vanpowers UrbanGlide-Standard e-bike. Now with Vanpowers, they have 3 different models of the Urban Glide. So this one here is the standard. They have a Pro, and they also have the Ultra. Now the Ultra model has a totally different motor style. It's very impressive. Sometimes you may need to go a little bit further, or you may need a little bit more power because your commute to work or from work or to school or from school has a huge hill that you need to climb up. I would say that's worth the upgrade, especially if that hill is very steep. But as you can see with this ride today, it's been super smooth and super comfortable. And I'm able to get in and out of most of the traffic real easy. The Newport Coffee Company, you see that? Doesn't it look delicious? Sounds delicious. I know it's delicious. I'm straight there because of the deliciousness. Okay, almost done with my latte. About ready to hop back on the bike. I've traveled a good distance. I've done 17 miles today. So if you think 66% battery at 17 miles, that's pretty impressive. Back on the boardwalk here at Newport Beach. I'm in neutral, I'm just pedaling. Step that down to make it an easier pedal. I got 62% battery still. This bike is very impressive. I am comfortable just pedaling this bike. It's really easy. And let me tell you though, if you're going slightly uphill, it's so nice just to hit that button right here for pedal assist to help you climb up any hill. But right now I have no problem just pedaling this bike. Matter of fact, that's all I'm going to do right now. I'm in gear number 5 in neutral. I'm doing the speed limit, and there's police all over monitoring the beach today, so that's another good reason for me just to be in pedal mode and following the speed limit, especially right here in this highly congested area. Dave!
Hey, Jim.
How you doing?
I'm doing okay. What's up?
Any luck?
Not a thing.
Not a thing.
51 cents.
Well, that's something.
Two quarters and a penny.
Oh my. All right, I am back on the road and ran into a buddy of mine who was out metal detecting. It is beautiful out. It is. Sun's coming out. It's starting to get actually pretty hot. I am in pedal assist 3, gear number 7, going up the steepest hill in my area. Too tough. Let's go to pedal assist 5, leaving it in gear number 7. That's not too bad. Let's move that down to gear 6. Oh, much easier. Pedal assist to 5, gear number 6, going right up this hill at 14 miles an hour. Very comfortable and almost home. Now I can hit that to gear number 7. Believe it or not, I can actually step down to pedal assist to 3, because anytime you're going over 20 miles an hour, it governs it down and slows it down. So I like to stay right about 19 miles an hour. I'm very impressed with this VANPOWERS UrbanGlide-Standard e-bike. And I really appreciate them sending it to me. And I really appreciate you guys watching this video. And if you made it this long and you're interested in this e-bike, again, all you need to do is look in this video's description. I'll include some links and any discount codes. I've had a lot of fun today with this VANPOWERS UrbanGlide e-bike. It's been great. It's one of the easiest bikes I've ever ridden, and I think you guys might like it too. So go ahead and look in this video's description. I'll include some links and any discount codes. And guys, if you like this video, please click like. If you'd like to see more, consider subscribing, ringing this bell, and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video. And please take a look at this video right here.